Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, reshaped our understanding of the cosmos with his groundbreaking theory of relativity. His work transcended the boundaries of conventional science, pushing the limits of human thought and imagination. This wasn't merely a scientific revolution, it was a philosophical upheaval. It challenged the very foundations of how we perceive reality and our place within it. Relativity, at its core, unveiled a universe interwoven with profound connections, where space and time were no longer rigid absolutes. Instead, they were flexible, dynamic entities that could stretch, bend, and warp like fluid entities, dancing to the tune of gravity and motion. This fluidity meant that the universe was a living, breathing entity, constantly in flux. Einstein revealed a reality where seemingly disparate elements were intricately linked, a concept that resonated deeply with ancient spiritual wisdom. This connection between modern science and ancient philosophy bridged the gap between the empirical and the mystical. Imagine two observers, one standing still, the other whizzing by on a high-speed train. Their experiences of time would be fundamentally different, illustrating the relative nature of time itself. Relativity tells us they would experience time differently. The faster you move, the slower time flows for you relative to someone at rest. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been confirmed by numerous experiments and is a cornerstone of modern physics. This mind-bending concept extends to the very fabric of space itself, which warps and curves under the influence of mass and energy. Massive objects like planets and stars create dents in the space-time fabric, guiding the motion of other objects. The universe, as Einstein saw it, was not a static backdrop, but a dynamic stage where everything influenced everything else. Every object, every particle played a role in the grand cosmic dance. This interconnectedness, this delicate interplay between the seemingly separate, struck a chord with the age-old spiritual quest for unity and oneness. It suggested that everything in the universe is connected in a profound and meaningful way. Einstein's relativity shattered the illusion of a fragmented reality. It presented a universe where the observer was not detached but an integral part of the observed, where the very act of observation influenced the outcome. This idea has profound implications for our understanding of reality and our role within it. This concept, while revolutionary in the scientific realm, resonated with spiritual traditions emphasizing the interconnectedness of all things. It suggested that science and spirituality are not mutually exclusive but are two sides of the same coin. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, Einstein showed us we are not isolated threads, but woven into the very fabric of existence. Each of us is a part of the cosmic whole, contributing to the intricate pattern of the universe. Einstein's theory of relativity, while deeply rooted in rigorous mathematics and meticulous scientific observation, revealed a universe that resonated profoundly with spiritual insights. It was a groundbreaking revelation bridging the gap between the tangible and the intangible, the seen and the unseen. The idea of interconnectedness, which is central to many spiritual traditions and philosophies, found a surprising and powerful ally in the realm of modern physics. Suddenly, the ancient wisdom of interconnectedness was being echoed in the scientific community and no longer confined to the esoteric realm of mysticism. It found a new voice in the precise language of equations and scientific observations, bridging the gap between ancient spiritual teachings and contemporary scientific thought. Eastern philosophies, with their profound emphasis on the interconnectedness of all things, found a curious and compelling resonance with Einstein's theories. The yin and yang, the balance of opposites, mirrored the delicate balance of forces in the universe. The Hindu concept of Brahman, the universal consciousness that permeates all of existence, echoed the interconnected fabric of space-time revealed by relativity. This ancient idea of a singular, all-encompassing reality found a new expression in the scientific understanding of the cosmos. Similarly, Buddhist teachings on dependent origination, which posit that all phenomena arise from a web of interconnected causes and conditions, found an unexpected and fascinating parallel in the interconnected dance of mass, energy, space, and time described by Buddhist philosophy. Einstein himself recognized these profound parallels. He saw beyond the equations and theorems, glimpsing a deeper truth that connected the physical and the spiritual. He saw in the universe a majestic order, a harmonious symphony governed by laws that transcended the material realm. This cosmic order was not just a scientific curiosity, but a source of profound spiritual insight. This realization fueled his belief in a cosmic religious feeling, a sense of awe and wonder inspired by the intricate workings of the cosmos. It was a feeling that transcended the boundaries of traditional religion, a feeling of spiritual oneness that echoed through the fabric of the universe itself, touching the very essence of human experience. Einstein, while not subscribing to any organized religion, was a deeply spiritual man. He believed in a Spinoza's God, a God not of personal intervention but of cosmic order and natural law. This God was not to be found in scriptures or rituals, but in the elegant laws governing the universe, laws that Einstein as a scientist dedicated his life to unraveling. "I believe in Spinoza's God," Einstein famously wrote, "who reveals himself in the orderly harmony of what exists, not in a God who concerns himself with fates and actions of human beings." Einstein saw the divine not in supernatural events, but in the awe-inspiring majesty of the natural world, a concept resonating deeply with his scientific worldview. The universe to Einstein was not a random collection of events, but a grand symphony orchestrated by immutable laws, a belief permeating his scientific work in which he sought to uncover the underlying principles and elegant equations that governed its every movement. This quest for cosmic order was, for Einstein, a deeply spiritual pursuit, a way of communing with the divine mind that had set the universe in motion. Despite his remarkable insights into the universe's workings, Einstein remained humble before the vastness of the unknown. He recognized the limits of human understanding, acknowledging that even the most elegant scientific theories were merely glimpses into the profound mysteries of nature. This humility, this reverence for the unknown, was a cornerstone of his spiritual outlook. "The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious," Einstein once said. This sense of wonder, this awe before the universe's grandeur, fueled his scientific curiosity. It was not just the desire to solve puzzles, but a deep-seated need to connect with the profound mysteries that lay beyond human comprehension. Einstein's spirituality rested on a profound respect for the natural world and its enigmatic beauty. He saw science not as a means to conquer nature, but as a path to deeper understanding and appreciation. The more he learned about the universe, the more he recognized the vastness of what remained unknown, and this realization only deepened his sense of awe and wonder. Einstein's universe, governed by immutable laws, raised profound questions about free will. He envisioned a cosmos where every event, from the motion of galaxies to the firing of neurons in our brains, followed a precise, unalterable path. If the universe and everything in it, including our thoughts and actions, were predetermined by these laws, what room was there for genuine choice? Could we truly be the authors of our own destinies, or were we merely actors following a script written by the cosmos? This deterministic view, while unsettling to some, had intriguing parallels with certain spiritual teachings, emphasizing the illusory nature of the ego and the interconnectedness of all things. Many spiritual traditions teach that the self is an illusion, a construct of the mind, and that true freedom comes from recognizing our unity with the universe. Einstein himself grappled with the implications of determinism. He pondered whether our sense of individuality and free will was just a comforting illusion, masking the deeper reality of a universe bound by unbreakable laws. He famously remarked, "Human beings, vegetables, or cosmic dust, we all dance to a mysterious tune, intoned in the distance by an invisible piper." This poetic metaphor captures the essence of his deterministic view, suggesting that all of existence is part of a grand, orchestrated symphony. Einstein's determinism, however, did not lead him to despair. Instead, he found solace in the beauty and order of the universe. He believed that understanding the laws of nature could bring a sense of peace and harmony, even if it meant accepting our lack of control. He saw beauty and meaning in the grand cosmic dance, even if our steps were preordained. The elegance of the universe's design, the intricate patterns of cause and effect, all contributed to a sense of amazement. This perspective aligns with certain spiritual traditions that emphasize acceptance of the present moment and detachment from ego-driven desires. By letting go of the illusion of control, we can find a deeper connection to the world around us. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, these traditions suggest we can transcend the illusion of separation and find liberation in the flow of existence. In this way, Einstein's deterministic universe offers not just a challenge to our notions of free will, but also a path to a more profound understanding of our place in the cosmos.